Do you doom scroll on your phone daily and hope you can find something good to do? In this video, I'll give you 5 hobbies that will actually interest you and bring positive impact to your life. First, one of the most known hobbies in this world, going to the gym. So why most people say going to the gym will make you attractive is because not just how you physically look, but how your mentality feels to other people. So if you go to the gym and then are able to stay consistent and build a good physique, you will obviously gain self-respect and confidence. This is because you know that you are capable of staying consistent in the gym while other people quit in a week or a month. I've heard a lot of people that went to the gym and then gained confidence, applied that confidence onto their business, and then succeeded off of that. So the second comes to MMA, which is kind of similar for a lot of people comparing it to the gym, but it's quite different because going to the gym is more like weightlifting. It's not really cardio, but for MMA, it's cardio. So for me, I do Muay Thai, but there's the different kind of pain in doing MMA and the gym. The gym is like holding heavy weights and you feel the resistance of it, but for MMA, there's no resistance that you feel, but you're most likely to feel tired from actually increasing your heartbeat from the cardio you do in MMA. So imagine you tell someone that you're actually in MMA. Imagine their looks on their faces and how they will feel about you. They will most likely think that you're an actual person that stays disciplined and stick to their own promises. So the third is playing an instrument. From other people's experiences, they often tell me that they've gained a skill of discipline through playing the instrument, because playing the instruments and getting used to it takes time, and then you obviously feel like quitting before you're able to play a song, and you have to get back to it daily to be able to actually get good at it. For piano, it's said that if you didn't start at age 5 to 10, you're not gonna be able to play even if you start as an adult. On TikTok or Instagram, I mean, this is same for the gym as well, but I often see a lot of girls fantasizing people playing the guitar or electric guitar if it's better. So coming in fourth, photography. Why it's attractive is because you see what other people are missing. So even if you're looking at the same scenery, as a photographer, you're gonna see parts of the scenery that other people couldn't catch. The mindset shows depth, patience, and awareness. And through photography, you can make other people look good.